Drama alert! Quarter panel still isn't here. What's going on with it? Just tune in now for build news. Boop, 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 boop. You guys, it wouldn't be a good YouTube build series if you didn't have just a little drama sprinkled in here, a little thread of lawsuit. You know, we had a good one on the Lotus, and here we are with the GTR in a similar type of position. So this isn't a build episode today. I had plans for work, and then I actually found out that I don't have the right tools to do that stuff. So I'm gonna just today sit back and talk with you guys about why I've been gone so long and what the hell's going on with the recorder panel. And then in the next episode, I'm gonna get back to work. So if you only like the time-lapse stuff, just, you know, I'll see you soon. Okay, quarter panel, where I've been, and how we're gonna recoup the losses. Did I get scammed? Sorry, camera's a little sideways. Did I get scammed? I'm not really sure. I did lose some money. I was doing a partnership with a company to get a new quarter panel, and I put some of my money into the game. And where I've been, I've basically really just been like, when that quarter panel shows up, I'm gonna jump onto it and we're gonna go. And then it didn't show up, and then I, you know, had an evening out with the girlfriend, and then it didn't show up, and whatever. One thing led to another. I was using that as an excuse to not get back into the shop, which is, that's my bad. So I took an extra, like, maybe week of vacation off. I'm not really sure, just sitting around being like, it's not my fault, quarter panel's not here. Lacking on a little bit of discipline. It happens to all of us after a vacation. Let's gloss over that. So anyways, today I got into the shop and I was going to do the rear. I'm going to pull the rear subframe, but I actually found out I don't have the right jack type, so I got stuck there once again. That's what I'm going to be working on tomorrow. I do have the new rear subframe. That's all here and good, so we'll be working on that. So what happened is as simply as I could put it, so nobody else gets scammed. I was just working with a company. We were doing a partnership on it, and I gave them some money, and they obviously were giving me some product in exchange for advertising. And we were talking, and when it was supposed to show up before I left on vacation, the quarter panel, the piece that goes right here, when it didn't show up, I sent them an email on December 24th. I said, hey guys, it's not here, where is it? That was about, like, right now, that was like 17 days ago. They still have not responded back. I've sent multiple emails after that, like every 2 or 3 days I've sent an email, hey, saying, guys, come on, let me know. Because if not, I'm gonna have to buy a replacement quarter panel. So the replacement quarter panel from Nissan is, you know, this whole piece right here, and you weld it back onto the car. And I can order one of those. It's probably gonna take me about a week to get, and they cost like $1,700 plus. I think the MSRP $1,700, and then the dealer marks it up. So that's what I'm probably gonna have to do at this point, unless that company, who shall remain nameless, I don't want to throw them under the bus in case there's a good reason, like the owner could have died or something like that could have gone on. So I don't want to just like try and ruin the company's reputation. That's not what I'm after to do right now. I just want to kind of explain to you guys what happened, so you know where we're at, and then I'll explain my trickety trick about how we're gonna recoup the losses. So it's gonna be like $1,700 or $1,800 to buy a new quarter panel. The first stage to do that then would be to weld the new quarter panel back on after we build all of our new structure right here, and then paint it with the car, good to go. So that is the Nissan replacement. I would love to do a junkyard replacement, but I cannot find a junkyard anywhere that has a Nissan rear quarter. That would have been great because I could have got a lot more metal, but there's just nothing local to me, so that's a bummer. What I was afraid of and what I don't want to have happen is, for some reason, those guys are bad at email, but the part is actually on its way to me, and then the day I call up Nissan and buy this part that's non-refundable for almost $2,000, the other one shows up, because then I'm in trouble there, right? So obviously I'll have 2 quarter panels, 1 pissed off company, and 1 hurt bank account. Don't want to have that happen. So that's why I've been delaying on it. That's what's going on with the quarter panel. I really wish we weren't stuck in this situation, but I really don't. I didn't want to waste my money, and I didn't want to upset that company either. And I guess I'm finally saying, after 17 days of no email, somebody probably should have emailed you within like a half a month, right? I was patient enough, and you know, with these builds, we gotta be able to keep going. Oh, did I say it? We gotta keep moving forward, guys. And for the last subject of how I'm gonna recoup my money, it's simply just by making this video. So for some reason, when you write, did I get scammed in the title, a lot of people watch. I want to thank all you guys for watching. This has been by far and away our most popular series. And it's been a while. We had a problem. We had a weird issue on the Lotus where we got scammed by a guy that pretended to have all these parts and stuff like that. But luckily I didn't lose any money. But this time I lost some money. But luckily by you guys just simply watching this video, it's kind of like what Rob Dahm did a long time ago with his hood. By you guys watching this video, the ads and stuff support me in a way that I will recoup my lost money that I gave to that company that is gone now. I'm not going to go after them or anything like that. I don't have the time. I want to stay focused on the build. But doing this video is twofold. I get to let you guys know what's going on, why the delay, and why I can't seem to get a quarter panel, because it's really not this hard. With every other build that I've ever done, I just go to a junkyard, I say I would like to buy the quarter of a car from about here that way and about here back. They cut it in half for me, we put it on a truck, I drive it back here, problem solved. But with rare cars like this, I understand it. It is an issue. But anyways, let this be a moment that I could say thank you guys all so much for watching this series. I'm so glad that you enjoy this type of car, because I mean I love up in the ante and up in the stakes as well. And thank you guys all so much for watching. That's about it. I don't want to keep you for any more time. It's not clickbait, but I don't know. Anyways, viewer bait? I don't know. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you all. And tomorrow morning, very early, I'm going to get back in and we'll get our subframe replaced. Our lower rear, or no, just the only rear subframe is going to be replaced in the next video. Otherwise, you guys can support is just by heading over to bsforbuild.com if you would like to do that. But just watching is plenty if that's your prerogative. Thank you guys all so much. Thank you so much for the support. I'll see you in a couple days when we got our rear subframe replaced. Peace! Come on! In case you guys didn't know, if a video is not 10 minutes long, I can't place ads in it where I need to. So the rest of this episode will be me reading dad jokes. What do you call a fake noodle? An impasta. How many apples grow on a tree? All of them. I wish there was a way I could read just the... Okay, hang on. Want to hear a joke about paper? Never mind, it's terrible. It's not more terrible than this. Just watched a program about beavers. It was the best damn program I've ever seen. Dad, did you get a haircut? No, I got them all cut. What do you call a Mexican who lost his car? Carlos. Why did the Scarecrow win an award? Because he was outstanding in his field. Why don't skeletons ever go trick-or-treating? Because they have nobody to go with. No body to go with. What do you call an elephant that doesn't matter? An irrelevant. Why couldn't the bicycle stand up on its own? It was too tired. The shovel was a groundbreaking invention. Whenever the cashier at the grocery store asks my dad if he would like milk in a bag, he replies, no, just leave it in the carton. What do you call a man with a rubber toe? Roberto. That's two Mexican ones. You guys need to, this website's a little bit questionable. It's a little suspect. What do you call a fat psychic? A fortune teller. To the man in the wheelchair that stole my camouflage jacket, you can hide, but you can't run. I thought about going on an all almond diet, but that's just nuts. Why do you never see elephants hiding in trees? Because they're so good at it. Did you hear about the kidnapping at school? It's fine, he woke up. Today at the bank, an old lady asked me to help her balance, so I pushed her over. What? Oh, check her balance. Needed to check her balance. My bad. I bought some shoes from a drug dealer. I don't know what he laced them with, but I've been tripping all day. I told my girlfriend she drew her eyebrows too high. She seemed surprised. My dog used to chase people on a bike a lot. It got so bad finally I had to take his bike away. My boss told me to have a good day, so I went home. A woman walks into a library and asks if they had any books about paranoia. The librarian says they're right behind you. The other day my wife asked me to pass her lipstick, but I accidentally passed her a glue stick. She still hasn't... She still isn't talking to me. When you look really closely, all mirrors look like eyeballs. My friend says to me, what rhymes with orange? I said, no it doesn't. What did the pirate say when he turned 80 years old? Matey. Matey. My wife told me I had to stop acting like a flamingo, so I had to put my foot down. Why did the old man fall in the well? Because he couldn't see that well. I ate a clock yesterday. It was very time consuming. What do you call a Frenchman wearing sandals? Philippe? Philippi. Flip-floppity? That's French people. A blind man walks into a bar. and a table and a chair. I know a lot of jokes about unemployed people, but none of them work. What's orange and sounds like a parrot? A carrot. Did you hear about the Italian chef that died? He passed away. Pasta away? I'm so hungry. When a deaf person sees someone yawn, they think it's... When a deaf person sees someone yawn, they think it's a scream. Alright guys, and on that one, I'll see you later.